While the crypto world explored the aftermath from the breakdown of FTX in late 2022, Avalanche says it avoided the disaster. Avalanche organizer and president Emin Gunsirer guarantee its partners that FTX influences almost know the organizations and undertakings working in the torrential slide environment. The organization had a record on FTX with a tiny measure of coins in it. That is truly a help for torrential slide, yet not the equivalent for others with bigger stores. Torrential slide, Avax, is among the main 10 by market cap, with a bullish exhibition of 3,100%. In front of top crypto resources like BTC, FBNB, ADA, and DAB as per CoinMarketCap information. The torrential slide blockchain can give close moment exchange absolution. What is torrential slide in Avax? Avalanche has faith in the torrential slide conventions even-handed to build areas of strength for A and power-proficient digital money network for applications, dApps, novel installment natives, and new interconnecting blockchains. The Avax convention is fostering a new tokenized economy through its progressive innovative methodology, which incorporates consistent physical and virtual resource exchange, particular installment application natives and subsidiary items, Web 3.0 confidential information and social applications, and substantially more. Torrential Slide is the blockchain area's quickest shrewd agreements digital currency organization. The organization has by a long shot the most validators of each and every POS convention, which guarantees its action. Moreover, the Torrential Slide network is a lightning quick, low expenses, and harmless to the ecosystem stage. Once more, any brilliant agreement-based application could outperform its adversaries on Torrential Slide. Torrential Slide's mainnet went live on September 21, 2021, and from that point forward, the stage has gotten more than 200 unique undertakings, more than $14 million of Avax consumed, north of 1,000 other block offering validators, and more than 600 local area individuals around the world. Avax value history. The Torrential Slide cryptographic money has been on a strong negative pattern during the first profoundly unpredictable days, dropping 25.0% over the most recent 14 days. Torrential Slide cost has of late shown gigantic potential and presently may be an ideal second to purchase, given the promising business sector cap, while contrasting the ongoing worth with the most recent 30 days cost history. Nonetheless, today is certain that Avax's cost has dropped by 4.7%. Be that as it may, Avax mint pieces are a sound venture expansion to your drawn-out currency assortment. The cost vacillated between a base typical cost of $48.06 and a high typical cost of $146 in the past 90 days, addressing a 208% swing. All through the past 4 months, Torrential Slide has been on the ascent. As a result, we expect that comparable region of the market at the time more predominant. Torrential Slide's exchanging volume has expanded in the past 4 months, as per the latest figures. The size of the market and complete inventory affects the cost today. On May 4, 2022, popular crypto trading company Valkyrie pronounced that it needs to send off a Torrential Slide trust for institutional wagers on the chain's local Avax token. This will likewise assist financial backers and Valkyrie with getting more openness to the Torrential Slide blockchain convention. This organization with Valkyrie will without a doubt open more entryways for future ventures with the Torrential Slide biological system. Torrential Slide specialized investigation. Torrential Slide cost examination shows Avax has been exchanging a climbing trend line after a breakout from the scope of $11.84 to $18.07 in mid-January. The move was joined by high volume and a flood in exchanging action, trailed by a time of union. Cost has been exchanging over the critical help at $15.0 after a minor pullback from the month-to-month pinnacle of $18.8. The MACD is showing a bullish uniqueness, proposing that the purchasing pressure is expanding and more potential gain should have been visible in the close to term. The RSI is likewise at present exchanging the overbought region, indicating a potential pullback before the following leg higher. Also, the 50-day moving normal is going about as unique help and looks set to offer further help in the event of any disadvantage. Taking a gander at the month-to-month diagram, Avax has been exchanging an upturn starting from the start of 2023. The bulls have stayed in charge, and the resource has acquired more than 34.61% this year and is exchanging over the 200 SMA. The overall strength file, RSI, is at present exchanging close the overbought level, proposing that a pullback could be coming. Nonetheless, assuming that the bulls figure out how to keep the cost over the $15.0 support level, we could see Avax proceed with its upswing and test new highs before very long. The Fibonacci retracement device shows Avax is presently exchanging between the 61.8% and 76.4% retracement levels, demonstrating that further potential gain could be not too far off. The bulls are likewise pushing for a break over the $17.0 opposition level, which could open up additional potential gain and probable push Avax toward the $20.0 handle. On the drawback, on the off chance that the cost dips under the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at $14.6, it could flag a transient top and a potential revision. Nonetheless, the generally speaking bullish pattern stays in one piece. As long as Avax stays over the key $15.0 support level. Torrential slide cost expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide Avax cost expectation for 2023, the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to arrive at the very least worth of $23.80. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $27.64, with a typical exchanging cost of $24.48. All through 2023. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. Our torrential slide Avax cost expectation for 2024 recommends Avax could possibly achieve a most extreme cost of $41.28 and a typical exchanging cost of $34.88 with a base value focus of $33.66. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. As per the torrential slide Avax cost expectation for 2025 is a base worth of $49.29. A most extreme worth of $57.58 and a typical exchanging cost of $50.68. All through 2025. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. Torrential slide Avax cost expectation for 2026 proposes Avax could possibly accomplish a most extreme cost of $85.62 and a typical exchanging cost of $75.09 with a base value focus of $72.55. Torrential slide value forecast 2027. As indicated by the torrential slide cost estimate for 2027, the cost of torrential slide digital currency is anticipated to arrive at the very least worth of $101.92 with a greatest worth of $124.51 and a typical exchanging cost of $104.93. Torrential slide value forecast 2028. The Avalanche cost expectation for 2028 anticipates that Avax should exchange at any rate cost of $155.83 and a typical figure cost of $160.02 with a most extreme worth of $182.44. Torrential slide value forecast 2029. Our torrential slide cost conjecture for 2029 proposes Avax could possibly achieve a most extreme cost of $275